The new CAN bridge from Autometer is a perfect solution to adding gauges or digital dash to your car or truck. By using the OBD2 port on engines and vehicles 1996 and newer, the CAN bridge streamlines the process by using the existing sensor data from your car and sending information to the gauges. The CAN bridge can detect and send up to 6 signals for a tachometer, speedometer, temperature, pressure, fuel level, and volts. The pressure and temperature channels can be used for the typical weather, temperature, and oil pressure, or they can be customized to output information for transmission temperature, fuel pressure, or other information channels that are available on the OBD2 data stream. By using the OBD2 port, Autometer has simplified the process of adding new gauges to your car or truck. There are no sensors to hook up and less wires to run, which means more time on the road. The CAN bridge module includes 5 buttons to help navigate through the menus and the program system. The CAN bridge can use all the sensors available, and the fuel level output has 7 of the most common gauge ranges preset to easily pair with Autometer applications. The CAN bridge works on short sweep electric gauges, tachometers, and electric speedometers. It is not compatible with mechanical or full sweep electric gauges. If you're interested in purchasing the Autometer CAN bridge or looking to have it installed, check out the dealer locator in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.